Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your Epson Eco Tank printer is printing blank page. This method works for any Epson Eco Tank printer, and in this video we'll go through automatic cleaning methods only. I will not take the printer apart and show you how to do it manually, because actually I strongly not recommend you to do this. If after this video your problem is not fixed, I recommend you to take the printer to the service center because it's not so easy to take it apart and put back together just to clean the print heads. So let's get into it. The first method is print head cleaning, and before doing it, make sure you have enough inks in the tanks, and if the ink level in one of your cartridges is so low that you can't see it in these windows, you need to refill tanks before starting print head cleaning. To run print head cleaning from a Windows computer, click on Start icon, then open Settings and start typing Printers. Select Printers and Scanners. Find your printer, click on that and open Printing Preferences. Now we can close the Settings window and switch to Maintenance tab over here. Select Print Head Cleaning and just click on Start. To get there on Mac computers, here is the instructions, so you can pause the video and open this menu on your Mac. So let's click on Start, and the process is running right away. Also, if you use Epson Smart Panel application in your smartphone, you can just open the application, make sure your printer is found, and just run the print head cleaning from the home screen. Or if you don't have this tile here, tap on the printer's image and here is print head cleaning. You can be sure the print head cleaning is completed when the power indicator stops flashing and the printer stops making sounds from the inside. After this, print a test page. If it's still blank, do the print head cleaning for the several times, up to 5 times. And if the problem persists, clean the print heads one more time and wait for about 12 hours without printing. And after this, print the test page once again. For example, you can print nozzle check page. So in this menu where you have head cleaning, just tap on nozzle check, confirm your action and wait for the page from the printer. If the page looks like this, everything is okay, but if it's still white or some colors are missing, proceed to the next step. This only can be done from a computer. So you already know how to get to this menu on Windows and Mac computers, but this time you need to run power cleaning, stronger cleaning of the print head. This is the first warning about ink level and 12 hours without printing. You already know about this, so click Next. Confirm you've understood that warning. Next one more time. And the second warning about this function affects the service life of the waste ink pads. If waste ink pads have reached the end of their service life, contact Epson support to request replacement. So here may be one more reason of the printing problems. So click on Start to run the process. I won't do this because my printer is pretty well, so let me just cancel this. And one more tip, always make sure you use the latest firmware and drivers for your printer. So click on Software Update, and if you have some updates, just install them. It's gonna be performed automatically. And guys, it's funny that I'm even saying this, but I've actually seen it happen. Sometimes blank page issues come up because user places document face up like this, thinking that the scanner reads from this white rectangle here. No, this is just a reflector. You need to place document facing down like this. And that's actually everything you need to know about blank pages issues on Eco Tank printers. If you want to clean the print heads manually using some tools by yourself, do it on your own risk. I recommend you to take it to the service center. But I hope your printer is well now. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.